Assalamu alaikum. Hello everyone, welcome back to my another video. In this video, how to lock white and hide in Excel. Okay, now see this: unlock white and hide. Lock this, click the icon, select alignment, protections, and you tick marks locked. You untick mark this, click OK. Go to review, protect sheet, select all option, all tick mark, and deselect format rows and column. Format column and format rows. Now click OK. Now see this, don't remove this. Lock white and hide. Thanks for watching video. Please subscribe to my channel, like, comment, share.